Welcome back to Daytime Live. We're still buzzing. I have a couple of big ups before we continue to buzz though.
Just a couple?
Yeah.
Okay, ready.
Okay, quick though. Okay, so I have to big up Nikilia from Practical Stationery in Kings Plaza. Oh yeah, and Sparta say must big up Duffy too. I have to big up the artist one named Almighty Fire. That was a real bad up. She bad me up and said make sure I big up Almighty Fire.
All right.
Big up Reagan and Josie Blacks from around a Marvel at the porridge shop. Yeah, him always listen Daytime Live.
Yeah, big up.
Big up to Akeem and Lisa from Porus too. I saw them in the airport. Big up to the management and staff of Chuko's Auto Repair at Old Harbour. Big up on yourself. Also, condolences to the friends and family of Edgerton Pinnock, also known as Shaky from Clarendon. He lost his life yesterday.
I'm so sorry about that.
Yes.
So I'll work with
Big
6.
Up. Okay, so
6.
hip-hop pioneer Kool Herc will be inducted. This is a Jamaican,
Yeah.
you know that. He was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in November for his contribution to that genre, which celebrates its 50th anniversary this year. Now, the Kingston-born sound system Maverick becomes the 3rd Jamaican in the hall. The others are Bob Marley and Jimmy Cliff, who were inducted in 1994 and 2010, respectively. Born Clive Campbell, Kool Herc was named in the Hall's class of 2023 on Tuesday by the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame Foundation. Now, he's being recognized in the category Musical Influence.
Love that? Yes. Now, the 68-year-old Kool Herc spent his formative years in Trenchtown and Franklintown. He migrated with his family to the U.S. in 1968, settling in the Bronx, New York. He initially made his name as a dancer in the Bronx before becoming a regular at sound system parties throughout New York City's boroughs, where he would play mainly funk music. Now, it is widely documented that what became hip-hop started during a party at 1520 Cedric Avenue in the Bronx, where Kool Herc staged a back-to-school party for his younger sister.
Wow.
Congratulations,
That's
yo.
amazing. You know, the thing is, sometimes, we like to assess and criticize our circumstances and surroundings and things, but whatever circumstances, whatever conditions were in place at the time to create this individual, who then went on to create hip-hop, which has created a career for so many people across the world. It's like you that's why you should never cuss the things that will happen to you or the things that will go on around you and things, because you never know what might blossom from these said conditions and situations. You know what I mean?
The perspective can make a huge difference. Yeah, man.
So,
That's true.
Big ups and congratulations once again to another amazing Jamaican who a few years ago people might not look at as amazing as they do now. So it's good that we are recognizing the uniqueness and the value in uniqueness of all of these things. So big up Kool Herc, well deserved.
And as a matter of fact, if you never know about him before, you know about him now. So even, see him there? Oh, can you see? Show him again. Yeah. Congrats, Kool Herc, and to his family too. Yeah, man, love that. Hip Hop Boulevard, yes.
Well deserved.
Well deserved. So continuing in buzz, Kevin Hart says Jamie Foxx appreciates the outpour of love and support from his fans. Now, the stand-up comedian appeared on Tuesday's episode of the Impulsive podcast and shared that Foxx, who was hospitalized after suffering what his daughter Corrine described as a medical complication in April, has been improving since. Hart said, I think the dope thing is that he's getting better in his situation, and everybody's prayers, everybody's love, energy, and all that stuff is seen and felt. Hart told podcast hosts Mike Majlak and Logan Paul. So in this case, he continued, man, you just want the guy to get out of the situations and then get back home, is what Hart said.
He also said, I don't know the details or the exact detail as to what's going on, but to my knowledge, there's a lot of progression and a world of better. Okay, so he continued, adding that Fox is needed and necessary. Hart sent out love, synergy, energy, and wishes a speedy recovery to Fox. and Fox this week posted his first message to fans and supporters since his initial health scare. And it said, quote, appreciate all the love, feeling blessed, end quote. Fox was hospitalized 3 weeks ago on April 12th.
I'm happy to hear he's doing better.
Me too.
Yeah.
I'm happy to see even a quote and even a sentence from Jamie Foxx. I think Jamie Foxx is extremely talented.
Yeah, man. Love him.
He's one of the most amazing entertainers of our time.
Yes, yes.
And yeah.
To be honest, I didn't actually really rate Jamie until Ray.
Yeah.
Until he did that
I always
movie.
rate him, but
no, I mean, he was cool and I appreciated him, but I mean, a next level ratings, it was when he actually delivered the character Ray.
Yeah.
I was like, yo, I didn't realize he had so much in him. Next level ratings went up for Jamie.
True.
Yeah.
I would also like to take this opportunity to send out and ask for support in sending out as well some quick love and prayers to Boom Dynamite, who was in an accident and was hospitalized last week. Yeah. So, you know, Boom Dynamite was one of those people who, you know, has supported, encouraged, and motivated many artists coming up into the business. That's part of Scare Them crew, if you don't know. Amazing crew, amazing dancehall act and artists.
Yeah,
so, you know, big up Boom, and you don't know the prayers there.
Yeah, support
Yeah.
and
Recover
send the
soon.
love. Yeah, love that.
All right, so on that note, Daytime Live will be right back, and joining us from the hit TV series Bel Air is Jimmy. Jimmy, what's up? Mr. King Bola. What's up, man? King Bola.
King Bola.
Blessings.